Hello, my name is Amy Meizhuan Wu, and I'm doing a project, Speech Remote Control FutureStar Robot here. First, I would like to introduce FutureStar Robot Kit. This is a robot kit I use to build the robot model first. Basically, it just has plates, some rod, and the basic part of a robot, connector, and also some sensors, such as a touch sensor, light reflection sensor, sound sensor, light dependent resistor, such as like that. And the most important part of FutureStar Robot Kit is here, this one. This is a control circuit mainboard. And on the left side is the input port, and on the right side are the output ports. Normally, output ports connected to motors, LEDs, something like that. Left hand, the input ports, you can connect to the sensors, such as the touch sensor, sound sensor, and light reflection sensor underneath here. So just connect it to the sensor plate drive and then connect to the input port. So the car can maybe track the black track. So it has own intelligence. This is a FutureStar Robot Kit. I use this kit to build some models, such as a spider. This is a spider model. And this is a car model. Here is a robot walker model here. This is a windmill. This is another car. After you build the model, you need to use the software, flowchart program software, to design a software for your robot to make it intelligent, to do something. For example, the flowchart program design platform is based on assembly language developed by the FutureStar Robot Kit company. Here are some major commands. General. You just click General, you'll see the command block here. Something like forward, car, forward, backward. It's very easy for middle school students. You just drag the block to the flowchart line, and students will be very easy able to compile a simple flowchart program to configure the control circuit mainboard. And also there's some simple loop for simple program. It's very good for students to learn how to program, the logic of programming. Also some variables, such as increment 1, decrement 1, and also subprogram. Here is my flowchart I designed, like a decode program of my project. For my project, each command there is corresponding like a car forward, but you can use subprogram. If you use subprogram, the robot, if you send a command to a robot, the robot wants just to do one thing. The robot will be able to a series of movements. As long as you need to design the subprogram and drag in here, and also transfer. So, basically, this is a flow chart. I use the input port, low 4-bit input port of the control circuit mainboard to control my robot. I downloaded designed this decode program. There are 16 different commands. Because 4-bit input ports corresponding, you will be able to have 16 different combination commands. Each command in my decode program have different movement for the robot to execute it. Next thing is I need to use program download cable. Connect to the USB serial port adapter here, and then another end connect to the control circuit mainboard here. Switch on the power and press the middle download power button. You'll be able to click here, download. You'll be able to download the flowchart decode program to the control circuit mainboard of the robot. So next step, I have the decode program. I want to use MATLAB to compile some encode program. As the first step, I tried different ways to control my robot. The first way is to control my robot with wires using MATLAB. The first option is here. This is a MATLAB 60.5. In 6.5, there is Simulink adapter block here, which can interact with data acquisition card. Here is the data acquisition card. After that, I build a graphic user interface MATLAB file. So if you push each button, this will simulate the Simulink model I just showed here. To output the analog voltage to this data acquisition card, I connect to this encode command to the robot input command. So it will work. But at first, what you need to do is you need to declare the four global variables in MATLAB command window, because this is a variable in Simulink, and I write a GUI function to simulate the Simulink model. That's why I need to declare it. After that, go to MATLAB M5, press F5. So let's see if it is working. Switch on the power, run. Okay, for example, we want it backward. So it's backward now. When the computer says busy here, don't click another button. So it stops. This is my first option to remote control, to control the robot, parallel control the robot with wires. Another option is use a MATLAB data acquisition toolbox to replace data acquisition card. Because data acquisition toolbox in MATLAB supports PC parallel port and National Instrument two pieces of hardware. You can write directly the data, digital data, to PC parallel port and National Instrument using data acquisition toolbox in MATLAB. Thus, I can control my robot, use PC parallel port. Just press the MATLAB file. Here's the GUI. Let's try the PC parallel port first to see if it's working. Connect to the input port. Switch on the power. Press run. Forward. Click backward. It's working. Click stop. So it's working. Definitely working. This is one way to control. Another way to control robot with wires using PC parallel port. Next is using National Instrument. Similarly, just press F5. Connect to PC parallel. Connect to the input port, and then switch on the power. Run. Press forward and backward and stop. So it works. Thanks.